Given the cost of credit, how much do you worry about commercial real estate, which is the one thing that most investors worry about, of which you have a large chunk in Germany of?
Well, certainly it's an asset class which deserves monitoring. But again, fortunately, from a Deutsche Bank point of view, I think our portfolio is very much contained. We have reported about that. I do think that commercial real estate, in light of the higher interest rates for longer, but also all the developments which we have seen from COVID on with work from home, is an asset class which will actually go through a more difficult timing for the next couple of years. But it all depends on your underwriting principles, and there I feel very comfortable with that, what we have done.
Overall, we've seen a lot of volatility in the markets, and some have been on the right side, some have been on the wrong side of bets. I know your trading revenue declined in the third quarter. What have you seen since?
Well, I cannot yet comment on the third quarter, but overall, to be honest, I'm very happy also with the trading business overall in Deutsche Bank and what Ram and Fabrizio have established over the last 4 years. I think we have come to a place that, in particular, in certain markets, in particular in the European markets, we have a market-leading trading business. And if you are market-leading, then the stability is always higher than if you're not market-leading. This is exactly what we wanted to achieve, and we achieved it. I think the overall goal of Deutsche Bank, and this is what we established, is that we are less dependent on the investment banking. And in this regard, we significantly strengthened our corporate bank, our private bank, the asset management, and we did investments, and we just closed it this morning, the Numis investment, where we want to strengthen the capital light business and the advisory business within the investment bank, so that the investment bank in itself gets even more diversified. That's what we achieved, and this makes me happy.